What's up, guys? Today I'm making something new. I've actually never made this dish before, so I'm really excited. It is Borzen spinach stuffed chicken baked in Borzen spinach stuffed chicken wrapped in bacon. Doesn't that sound delicious? Okay, my husband usually makes this dish, but he's at work and I was like, okay, let me try to make it because I'm really craving it right now. So I'm gonna attempt to make it. He's busy right now, so he gave me like a very brief instructions. So I'm gonna just use those but wing it at the same time. So let's do this together. And I'm so hungry. If I have food in my teeth, mind your business. It's because I'm so hungry. I had an RX bar. Obsessed with these. If you've never had an RX bar, they're delicious. Today's fit is my gym outfit because I'm too lazy to change and I'm gonna get dirty cooking anyways. So let's grab our ingredients. Let me lower the camera, put you guys a little bit further back so you guys can see me cooking. Let's grab all of our ingredients. Take off my Apple Watch and my ring. We all know this. I cannot cook with it on. And let's preheat my oven. You know this by now. My oven takes forever to preheat and it smells like gas. Okay. So let's do 400. And let me grab the ingredients. Okay. I have to use my giant knife today. So, ingredient time. Very simple. Hopefully. All right. Here we go. We're gonna need an onion because I'm gonna add an onion into the mixture. Spinach, bacon, chicken. I think tomorrow's Friday and the weekends I don't really love cooking too much, but tomorrow I still want to eat at home. So I think I'm gonna make the rest of the chicken into this dish so that tomorrow we can just heat it up and eat whatever's in the fridge, like leftovers. So I think I'm gonna do all the chicken. My boys also love this dish, so I know they'll eat it. Borzen cheese. Also, I'm gonna make some white rice for the side. But you guys know the drill. I have my kombucha. I'm not gonna open it yet. I know it's gonna explode. So let's start the sauce first. Little pan, because it's just, the spinach turns into literally nothing. So this little pan will work perfect. But first we need to caramelize the onion, so let me chop it up. Again, veggies before I cut the meat so it doesn't get super dirty. Yes, I'm gonna have to cut the chicken. I think I'm gonna use, is this clean? No, it's dirty. I'm gonna have to use this big cutting board. I hope this onion's okay. Yes, okay. Okay. I had a great workout today. I started going to a new gym. Okay, hold on one second. I cannot do this. I cannot multitask to save my life. Okay, let me wash this onion. And I have nicer cutting boards. I just always forget I have them and I never use it. What was I saying? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna dice this onion really quick. So I started going to a new gym that just opened near me. The one, okay, my original gym is super close to my house. It's like super outdated, but they just opened a gym, like obviously brand new, duh, they just opened it. It's not too much further, maybe like a couple, 3 minutes further. Okay, more like 5 minutes further away, and I went to go check it out, and I've been like putting that off because I hate new things. Like, hate it. Like, I go to my gym, I know where everything is. When I go to the gym, there aren't that many people. It's not busy. I know my machines. I know where everything is that I need for that workout. I'm in, I'm out. Okay? So I've been putting off going to this new gym because new gym means I don't know where anything is. I don't know how busy it's gonna be. I don't know any of the machines. What if they have new machines? Does that make sense? So it just gives me anxiety to walk in and be like, I don't know where everything is. So I've been putting it off, and then I decided to finally go and check it out. And that was so overwhelming. Holy shit. Instantly regretted it. Instantly, literally, instantly regretted doing that. It was so crazy overwhelming. Let's start the onions. I'm gonna add some olive oil, and then I'm gonna start sauteing them. Okay. So, it was crazy overwhelming. I had no idea where anything was because I'd never been there. And since it's a brand new gym, all the machines are different and everything's like brand new. I got into this one machine that I thought was like the machine I use in my other gym. It was so awkward because I didn't know how it worked, and I'm not gonna ask anybody. I don't like talking to anybody when I go to the gym. So it was just overwhelming, and I was like discouraged. I was like, why did I come here? Instantly regretted it. And then I have to make two because me and my youngest will eat the cheese and the stuffing and all of that, but my oldest will not. So I have to make him a separate with just chicken bacon. So it was just overwhelming, and I was like, instead of going back to my regular gym today, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go back, and then I'm gonna be confident. I'm gonna be like, okay, let's figure this out. Let's see where everything is. And it was a nice workout. I went hard. Like, I am so freaking tired. I straightened my hair because I wanted to look somewhat normal in this video. Since all my YouTube videos I have my hair up when I'm cooking, I was like, I want to look cute. And then I go to the gym and I'm so sweaty. I was like, well, my freaking hair is not going to be straight anymore, but it is straight, thankfully. Oh, I can't reach. Okay, I can reach. I used my extremely long knife. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. Onions need to sweat, caramelize, and take a little bit. Okay. Actually, let's start the rice. Let's start the rice. sauteed onion smells so good. The house smells so delicious. 2 cups of rice. I felt like that sounded like Borat a little bit. Did it? Okay. Let's add some oil into the pan. About 3 tablespoons of oil. Wash our rice. Wash the rice. But how's everyone doing? I'm starting to receive all the packages from Black Friday. And, no, just Black Friday. I don't think I did Cyber Monday. No, I didn't. I love getting packages in the mail, even though I obviously bought them. It's like, I just love packages. So, come on. Are you kidding me? Okay, season 5. I'm on season 5 of Dexter. Hold on, let me do water. So 2 cups rice, 2 cups water. Same ratio. Okay, the onions are burning. Let me do that. Okay, I lowered the heat on that. Oh my god. Let's mix the rice. Shoot, we need salt for the rice. I use about a tablespoon of rice. Tablespoon of salt. Okay. Let that cook. Wipe my hands. So yeah, okay. Season 5, Dexter, and they freaking killed Rita. I couldn't believe it. If I'm spoiling it for anyone, please don't listen. If you're currently watching Dexter, you're not in season 5, I'm sorry. Oh my god, that's a bomb. That's a low. Let me get the spinach ready. So, the end of season 4, if you don't want to hear this, please skip. End of season 4, it's like the scene when he comes home, Rita's in the bathtub, the baby's on the ground, blood everywhere, okay? I thought he was imagining that because of his trauma, you know? So I was like, no way that happened. Then it ends, and then season 5 starts, and she's literally dead. Did I miss something? I was like, did something happen? I didn't look it up. But I was like, did something happen to her in real life? And like, they had to take her out? So confusing. Cut up the spinach just in half. And then I'm gonna throw it in here to sweat with the onions. It's already washed. I should probably wash it again, but it's okay, it won't hurt us. So, I couldn't believe it. I was shocked. I was like, what in the world? Actually, I'm not gonna cut it. I'm over it. Ow! Pan is hot. Don't touch the pan. What is this doing in my spinach? Not spinach. Okay, so far we have spinach, onion sauteing together. Oh my god. up. I'm spilling. Oh my. I've spilled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Spilled 7 leaves of spinach. So, yeah, I'm finally like, okay, Dexter's picking up, thank goodness. I don't remember how many seasons there are. I think there's 8. I'm gonna add a little more oil. Also, I've started, there's like a handful left in here. Yeah, so I'm not gonna use that. But I did start Christmas movies because I love a cheesy, cringe Christmas movie. All right, next we're gonna add our cheese into the spinach mixture. Last blue? You want it? No, I had one already. You can have it. Thank you. Okay. Rice. Simmering.
Oh, the blues are the best.
I know. Blue kind bars are the best.
We have like 50
I know, we have so many chocolate ones. Okay, boars and cheese will go into the mixture now. Rice is done. Put it to low, lid, 20 minutes, don't touch it. Now let's mix the boars in. Okay. Turn this off. Doesn't need to be heated up because it's gonna go right into the chicken. It's just easier to mix when it's hot. Okay, this is what the mixture looks like. Okay, let's put this to the side. Put this to the side and let's get working with the chicken. My least favorite part. Favorite seasoning ever. I put this on everything. This is what we're gonna use to season the chicken. So let's open the bacon. Okay, let's not contaminate things. Let's start with the chicken. These two are gonna be for my youngest. These are gonna be the plain chickens.
What's yours?
Ours will have cheese. All right, so since we're not stuffing.
I'm youngest.
I mean, sorry, my oldest. I always get them confused. I always say that in my videos, and then I watch them back and I'm editing them. I'm like, oh my God. My youngest is not picky. My oldest is super picky. There. Better? Okay, so this will be easy since it's just him. Seasoning. He does like the seasoning. Thank good. It's spicy. Oh my God. I think I just inhaled all that. coughing all over his chicken. Okay, bacon time. Now let's wrap the chicken. I've never done this, so I'm not sure.
How to?
Yeah. Okay.
But still gonna be really good.
Oh, I just got bacon on there. Okay, gotta use less bacon or else I'm gonna run out. Okay, there's one. Now my nose is running because of the spices that went in my nostrils. And here's the second one. Okay, 2 bacons is fine. Bacon wrapped. And that's picky eater one. Okay, now there should be 3 chicken breasts in here. Some sprouts. Yes. Okay. Now let me trim the fat off of this. And then what we're going to do is slice it in half without cutting to the other side.
Wait, were you having inside it?
Okay, just like that.
Rips it.
I hope not. And then we're going to stuff it with the sauce.
What was that piece?
Look at this, delicious. Okay, it doesn't look that good because it's obviously like
Raw.
yes. Okay, I need your help. Come here. I need a helper. This is Levi. Grab the seasoning for me. Sprinkle some on top. You can be generous. Okay, not too generous. That's good. Perfect. Thank you, helper.
I just showered.
I know. Are you telling me or our friends? Oh, that seasoning is in my nose. You too?
Yes.
No. It's coming out.
Is it already hot?
Bacon's, I mean the seasoning. I mean the stuffing's coming out.
The seasoning. Three bacon in each.
Okay, look at this delicious stuffed chicken breast. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's move on. Helper, I still need you. Let me get the fat off of this. Cut it, not all the way through. Uh-oh. Not a good cut. Okay, it's okay. Let's do both at the same time. Might as well.
Put the fat.
Cut the fat.
I also eat the fat, but
Yeah, usually we would, but... Oh no! Okay. They're cut in half. Let's stuff them up. This already has chicken on it, so... Okay.
it's not as much as the other one.
It's okay though, because we like to put some on top.
Mm-hmm.
It's all gonna go in there. So it's fine. Oh, okay, helper, season.
The pot's hot.
Season both. Come on. Fast. Okay, 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 okay.
I didn't.
This one. Okay, okay, that's good. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping me. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for helping. Okay.
The power.
I know. Oh my god. Okay. I can't do anything because my hands have chicken.
And bacon.
And bacon. And it's spilling because I didn't cut it right. I'm already failing. This is 3 and there's 3 left. Perfect, okay.
I counted.
You counted what?
The bacon.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I didn't, but thankfully.
I was like, yes, perfect.
Okay, this might not fit, but it's okay. We will make it fit.
Just drop it in there.
I know. I almost farted. I forgot I was filming. I didn't. Okay, let's... My husband makes this look so much easier than it is when he makes it.
You barely help too.
No, he doesn't let me help. He does it all. He loves... When he's cooking, he's in the zone. He doesn't need help.
No.
He loves to cook too. And he's good. Really good at cooking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Stuff that in there. Oh, this is a massive breast.
No.
Okay, let's
So
clean up
huge.
this nasty chicken mess.
Wash your hands.
Actually, I need to, this is already chicken on it, so I'm gonna put the sauce in the crevices only because we want the bacon on the top to crispen up. To crispen up. And we are not wasting any of this delicious liquid gold.
Liquid.
I wish I could lick my fingers, but it's a raw chicken. Okay.
Is that hot or cold?
Look at this delicious...
You need my help?
No, should be fine.
Just wash your hands?
Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna have to wash my hands like 3 times because everything has chicken on it. Can you grab that out of the way, Levi, please? Thank you. I want to get my camera stuff dirty. Alright, let's load the dishwasher.
Still soap on your hands.
And that's okay, because I'm going to get chicken on it. The good thing about this dish is that it's like, you don't have to, it doesn't dirty up your kitchen because it's in the oven. So that's a plus.
9 more minutes.
Less cleaning for me. 9 minutes for the rice? Okay. Well, the rice is going to have to sit there for a while.
Yeah.
I have to clean as I go. Literally have to. Quadruple wash my hands.
It's like 4 times washing.
I don't want any raw chicken on my fingers. Freaks me out. Very proud right now. That was the bomb. Okay.
I look so much better than ma'am.
I know, because of the... It's okay. Alright. Where's my towel? Now, I'm not going to use this towel to wipe the chicken because I don't want this towel to have raw chicken on it. Let's put the seasoning back.
Okay.
Once I clean this up, I'm going to wrap this with... That's trash, Levi. Get that away from me. Thank you. Disinfect our workspace. Hopefully I'm not spraying this into the chicken. I'm not. Okay.
Extra seasoning.
Clean our workspace. Disinfect our workspace. Okay. Now I feel better. Alright, now let's get this wrapped up with... What is it called? Aluminum foil. I forgot what it's called.
I didn't know what you were talking about.
I know, I was looking at you like you were gonna No, it's 400. Let's lower it to 375 actually. Let's lower it to 375. We're gonna put this in for about 30 minutes. Then we'll cook it with it unwrapped so that the baking can rest. Now let's wrap this one up. Okay. Put the foil back. Now, let's check on, the rice has 6 more minutes, but let's clean this spinach mess because I have a lot of spinach right there. Alrighty, that's it. Oh wait, 30 minutes. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Will you please start a timer for 30 minutes?
30 minutes starting now.
Perfect. Now let me clean this sink since I'm already here. And there was raw chicken on it.
And all this stuff.
Yeah. Okay. All right, don't forget, just put it in there now so that you don't forget tomorrow. Alrighty. Wash my hands one more time. I think that's why my hands are always so dry, because I wash them so much. And that's it. That's it, guys. I am so excited for this to be done because I'm so hungry and it's one of my favorite meals. I can't wait to send my husband a photo of it and see what he thinks. I love kombucha. So instead of having you guys hang out, I'm just gonna come back when the chicken's ready so I can show you guys, plate it up, and then we'll take a bite together. So I will be back. Guess what's done? Being cooking. Guess what's done? Cooking. Guess what's done cooking? I'm having a stroke. Okay. I already cut up my Picky Eaters chicken. Looks bomb. Let's get ours out now. What am I gonna put it on? Put it on this. Okay, this is how I cooked it. I did 375 for 30 minutes covered. Then I did 430 minutes uncovered. This is what it looks like out of the oven. It looks incredible. I just have a fear with cooking chicken that it's gonna be raw, so I'm gonna have to cut it. But it's okay, because my youngest needs it cut anyways. So let's start with rice first. Also, the rice came out so bomb. Fluffy, fluffy. Levi, do you want this on top of your rice or on the side?
What? On the side.
On the side? Okay. So this is the rice. It's so fluffy. Let's get the chicken out. Look at this delicious. Oh, it looks so good. Let's cut it. Let's lower you guys. It's okay if my face isn't showing because I need you guys to see this delicious food. What was that? Alrighty, let's see. Yum! Bomb. Alright, let me plate mine up. I'll do this one since we can share that giant one tomorrow, Levi. Let me slice my chicken up. Look how bomb this looks though. Oh my god. How is it?
Good. Really good.
It's just hard to cut because the bacon on there. And I don't want it to. I don't want the filling to come out. Okay, put this in here. Let me get some of this balm. Juice, chicken juice, I don't know what to call it. All right, I'm back. This is what my plate looks like. It looks so good. I hope it tastes bomb. Let's take a bite. It's extremely hot. It just came out of the oven. Hot. Oh my god. This is incredible. Holy moly. Okay, this is incredible. There's so much flavor in that. It's that cheese. The boursin cheese has so much flavor. It gives it such a creamy flavor to it without it being super overpowerful. Overpowerful? Is that a word?
I don't think
Without it being too much. Oh, I don't know. I'm hungry. Okay, last bite. Thanks for cooking with me. I hope you guys try this.
Garbage.
And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video, but let me take this bite first.